Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is August the 16th, 2021. You're at a great spot, a great location if today's your first time ever seeing our video, because we're going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Harmony One. We want to know, should you be buying the dip on this cryptocurrency? Now, if you've been a part of our community for a while, you already know that we don't push that notion. We don't want you to come through and buy every dip because you never know where the market is going to stop dropping. You don't. So rather than coming through buying the dip, you just need to sit back, kick back, get out the market, let everyone else figure out the issues as to where the market is going to go. And then once you get that signal, once you get that indication that the market has finally turned, that's when you jump into the market and buy. It's just that simple. So we welcome you all. Hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe here to our channel. One thing we will not do is we will not pump the stocks. We will not pump cryptocurrencies. We will not dump cryptocurrencies, stocks, commodities, whatever the case may be. We are simply worried about getting in position so that we can predict, profit, and win. It's just that simple. So if you want to become part of our community to where we are dominating the space, you're more than welcome to join us. Check this out. I'm going to show you that we did a price prediction in Harmony One all the way back here on July or August the 5th. Our prediction started out on July the 26th, right? I did a follow-on video right there on August the 5th, still telling everyone that we're still expecting the price in Harmony One to go higher. We told you that. So we should not be surprised to see the market and algorithm right now trading around 11 cents. We shouldn't be surprised because we talked about that on August the 5th. This is how you're able to take that emotion out of the market. This is how you're able to not pay attention to so many other videos and research and read upon articles, because we already knew this. We're not caught off guard. This is very powerful information once you understand how to read charts. It's very powerful because can't nobody pull the wool over your eyes. They can't, because you already know what to expect. So if anything, from our last price prediction that we had on since the ending of July, 28.82% profitability. If we wanted to get out right now, 46.42%. That is a whole lot of bread that we all can eat. This is why I want you all to be part of our community, so you can eat right alongside with us. Now, let's get rid of it. Okay, let's see. Because we need to address and update our chart, because now we are no longer seeing the price in Harmony One trade in our trading channel. So the first thing we need to do is we need to take this line right here and move it to a place to where we can actually expect to see some weakness. And we've already seen it somewhat already today. And I'm gonna show it to you. You can see it right here. Okay, this 12-cent price in Harmony One, we already hit this area as restriction. Okay, it was acting as support right there on April the 7th. And a couple of trading days right here, we've seen the market in Harmony One hold 12 cents as support. Well, now it is acting as restriction. Okay, so let me look at the market on a different time frame, because when you look at different time frames, you're actually able to build up a picture or a story as to where the trap is trying to go, right? So seeing the market in Harmony One, it's very hard to determine where will be the next price level that the market's going to turn. When I say turn, I'm talking about from it going higher to one of it starting to go down in price. It's very hard. One area is already here, 12 cents. We've already almost tagged that particular price level on this current 3-day price bar, right? But when I show you this on how we ended out on the week, last week, then the market looked like it may have a little bit more energy to see some higher prices, right? Is it around 13 cents? Is it around 14 cents that we can see this market price in Harmony One reach before we start to see selling and price go down? That's one thing we need to realize into the market, is that we got to be prepared and play both sides of the markets. We cannot be one-sided. We got to see the whole picture and not just one side. So what I'm talking about right now is I'm trying to prepare you to see At what level will we start to see a change? At what level will we start to see the market flip from being in a bullish trend to one of starting a bearish one? And it's 12, 13, 14 cents. Okay. So let me take this back over to the daily, because we need to be prepared to act upon where market goes, which is why we need to anticipate the next level of selling to try to induce the market to go down. Okay. So when I look at this on the 2-day time frame, you guys can pretty much tell that we don't have too far to go, right? We all need to be prepared to act accordingly as this market in Harmony 1 continues to push. Continue to push higher, right? Got to be ready for that. Okay. Now, if we were to put in a price prediction of expecting the market in Harmony 1 to go higher, which we will, by the way, there's 2 areas of support that I'm seeing already, and this is on a 2-day time frame. The first one is around 9 cents. Okay, price in Harmony 1 breaks below 9 cents. We got to be prepared to cut the loss, cut the play, and move on right there. But the first area is really around 10. So the longer that we trade above 10 cents, the greater the chances it will be for the market in Harmony 1 to go higher. Boom. Simple. Right? And as this market goes higher in price, we're going to continue to tell the trap to give me that. We're going to be in position holding the bag, telling him to bring us the loot, telling him to bring us the money, because we want to profit off of his work. Okay? So check it. I'm looking for the market in Harmony 1 to try to reach up there towards 13 cents, maybe even 14. Okay. Which is why we're prepared to allow under any market weakness to come down to 10 cents, even around 9. I'm cool with that. Okay. So we can risk what? Losing 22% on the play just to get around 18, 19%, which is decent. I mean, it's cool. So that's the play right there. We're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Harmony 1. Let me bring this up a little bit. I don't want to have that 20%. Let's do 17% into the market in Harmony 1. Okay. But ultimately, we're still on course to see the price go higher. Why? Because we're still following and the trap is still obeying its upward trend. Okay. That's it. Questions, comments, let me know. As always, drop me a comment. I really want to know what you all think about Harmony 1 and where you think the market price is going to be in the next 3 weeks. You might not see what we see on the charts. If you see something totally different, say, hey, I need to tell the community that the market look like it's about to drop. Let everyone know. Drop us a comment in the comment section and tell us. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.